We need peace. We need harmony. We will never have that until we restore the feminine to her rightful place in society. You see, she was literally removed by the hand of man, causing so many women to be lost in this land. When you think some feel completeness they can find in a man. Going under the knife to enhance breasts, fix lips, add or remove hips, please. Mentalities is what needs to be fixed. Women, let's get a grip. It was man who really messed up this shit. Sure, we bit the apple, and Jesus never had a female disciple and was celibate. I don't know, but too much makes me question it. Yet I pray every day when I see a woman gone astray that light be shown. Creator never intended us to use our bodies for the pleasure of unworthy souls. Shaking when told, bought and sold, that was never what we were intended for. Please, no more. And let it be known that J-Lo, Britney, and Janet need to keep their clothes on because they help make it acceptable for a young girl to think it's okay to show her body. Hey, they show it to the world. Sacredness has been lost, and we all today are paying the cost. Love has been lost. We live in fear and wonder why most feel sadness 365 days of the year. We need to restore the balance between man and woman again. Realize it was from woman, man was taken. Men, it is women you must stand for if humanity is to ever be restored. The feminine and masculine energy need one another to form harmony. Infinite love, 360 degrees, equality, sun, moon, star, complete family. Thank you.